Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what part of the world you are in. I am Old Man 102. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode of Captain of Industry. Now, the only thing I did was let the game run on a little bit between episodes to get caught up on everything that I had queued up for building. So this guy just finished building. It should start making us some electronics. I think we get rubber going last episode. We did. We have, yes, we do. So that guy's starting to make, we got to get a warehouse built down here. Now I want to be careful what I want to queue up. So I want to get the ship dock repaired. And it's going to need it only needs 18. Oh, it needs 100 construction parts. So we're going to wait on that before I queue up any more building. So let's get that ship dock repaired. Or repair the shipyard, I should say. Oh, did I? Oh, yeah, so we have to repair. So it's actually upgrading and repairing. I guess it's when I hit repair, it went to upgrade. But I think it's 6 of one, half dozen of another. Still trying to figure out how to get more dirt over here. I got 2 excavators over here running. The one just went for fuel. We do need to get the fuel depot built, and I think I'm going to build it over in this general area. But also needs advanced construction parts. Now we do need to make advanced construction parts. And we could do it assembly manual or we could do assembly electric. I'd rather go with assembly electric. But it's only going to cost us... What's it going to cost us to build this? Oh, we need advanced construction parts. We're going to have to put a manual one in. But this is also going to cost us 25 construction parts. I think before I put in the fuel depot, I think we're going to wait for our shipyard to get our construction parts. Now bricks again our whole I can't put another second brickworks in because we're just not getting enough dirt to keep one of them running. I have 2 excavators running over here. I think once they get through this rock face, they're going to get into more dirt and less rock. Now I could start digging down, but I really didn't want to. We could try cutting into this face over here a little bit further. Can I just go flat, which is F? How can I just go flat? Q? I don't want to dig down. R. E. No. How do we go back down? Q is -1. Alright, so we're at +1. If I rotate it, I think if we dig into this rock face over here a little bit, we're going to get... Cannot start below the edges. Well, I don't see what's any different than what we're doing now. Let's see if we can get some out of this rock face. If we can get more, if not, I'm just going to dig down and see if we can just get straight dirt. But we need more dirt to get a second brickworks, and brickworks are really what's holding up our construction parts. And there's no other way of making dirt. I was hoping like there was some kind of, like we could put rocks in the crusher to get more dirt. We can't. We strictly have to dig it. Any other suggestions on mining dirt? Yeah, let me know. Other than digging straight down. We have dirt coming over from this mine. We have dirt coming over from the iron mine, the copper mine, and the coal mine. And we're just not getting it. Now once this ramp is built, I'm going to have to start dumping stuff over here again. And see, they're going way over here to dump. We're going to try and fill this area in over here. So this ramp going up, I think this level is complete. We could probably get a truck up there if we wanted to. I think that goes straight up. Yeah, see, we're all the way up to this section. So that's completely filled. The only thing I could do here is put another layer on. I guess we could build a little bit bigger ramp here. And then continue to dig into this area here. So many construction parts do you have? Because I really want to get into construction part 2. You have 12, so you're still waiting for 80 some. So maybe just a hurry up and wait episode. Groundwater pump 2 is almost done being researched. Oh, that's the trade. Then we have the irrigated farms queued up and then the crop rotation queued up. So that should hold us over for a little bit. So I want to get into belts and everything else, but these freaking construction parts are holding us up. Yeah, I don't want to put the groundwater pump in yet. So I'm going to string a bunch more of these tanks together to take advantage of the rainwater collectors. I want to string in some more tanks over here to hold our crude oil and then to hold more diesel, but we just don't have. Once our shipyard's repaired, we start sending him out. I think we'll be in a little bit better shape. Ooh, we're starting to get a little bit of dirt in there. That's the first time dirt's been in this tank. I'm really hoping we can get into dirt over here. What I should probably do is take some of this cliff rock off maybe and just move it over here a little bit further. Yeah, because we won't get into, let me just see if I can change this up a little bit. Let's take some of this out. Maybe we'll get into a little bit more. It may have been a mistake. Let me get rid of, oh, hold on. Can I not get rid of that? There we go. Yeah, see if they can get into more dirt and less rock and stone. Now, if this guy fills up, we're adding a second brickworks in. Or I'm just going to find a new place to dig and we're just going to go down. So this guy's going for fuel. Yeah, we definitely need to get... Alright, how many more construction parts do you need? 70 some. We can get bricks to start backing up. Where are you going with that dirt? You should not be dumping dirt anywhere. Where are you going with that dirt? Why are you putting dirt in there? Oh, you're going for fuel. Okay. We got to get that fuel depot built. How much is another brickworks? 60 construction parts. And how we can't do conveyor belt checks, we got to get construction part 2s running. This thing just eats through the dirt. Want to get a couple more rainwater collectors in. Want to get a couple more of these in, but just the construction parts are killing us. Because I just can't get enough bricks produced. Because I can't get enough dirt. Any place else we could send him that's not rock that I could just maybe just dig down? Maybe I may change that mining designation. I was hoping I could just chip in here and get a bunch of dirt out. Now, eventually we'll use this rock or stone or whatever it is to make cinder blocks. Sorry about that, but this is definitely going to be the hurry up and wait episode. 52, so we're halfway there. Tempted to buy more bricks. Yeah, 'cause this is down again. Here comes a load. What if I narrow this down and go in further? Just like maybe too wide? So if we take this one off, these couple off, we take these couple off, and we take this one, we just go in further. And I take this end one off. Will that get us a little bit closer to what we need? So now you need to go for fuel. We have to get this fuel depot built. Or we're just going to have to bite the bullet and dig down. Yeah, any thoughts on more dirt, let me know. It's frustrating me. You only need 25 more. Is there any place I could just dig down? Okay, could we could just change? I could just go down here or down over this way. If we change this mining designation up, let me throw it on pause for a minute. So if we take this completely off, and I tell them to go down, how can I dig down? So if I wanted to come here, oh, there we go. Let me just try this. Can I start mining it? All the edges are too deep. Even if I'm over here at 1, is it not going to dig? There are some destinations of mine, oh, out of the mine. Okay, so we're going to have to change the area up a little bit. See if you get me more dirt by digging down. I think that's going to do it. I may end up just moving this if we just get continuous dirt out of there now. Alright, what do you have left? Like 12. We have 18 made. Okay, so now I want to put in... Let's see, hang on. You're making vehicle parts. You're making electronics. I can't mess with you. You're making mechanical parts, which we are full. I'm going to temporarily switch you over to construction part 2. Do I want to do that? Hang on. You're making vehicle parts. You're making electronics. And you're making electronics. Do we need that much electronics? We don't have a warehouse for electronics yet. I know. You are going to store electronics. Do I want to switch one of these over temporarily? You're making mechanical parts. Mechanical parts are full. Can I switch you over? How many do we need? For assembly, electronic, 30 construction parts. Can I switch you over and make 30 construction parts? You make me some construction parts as well. And then we'll use the construction parts to do a electric assembly, and we'll use the electric assembly to start making construction part 2s. And I want to get this fuel station in. Ship dock repair, still waiting on 12. You bring me my last 12? You are. So let's also queue up somewhere back here. Oh, you need construction part 2. Never mind. All right, now we need to repair the ship. Which is going to cost us what? Oh, we need 15 crew, so we don't have 15 crew either. So let's set this to repair. What does that take? Guess we'll set you to auto repair. Oh, you need iron. Okay. We have plenty of iron. We are going to need a crew, so let's turn this on. We'll wait for that ship's going to take 15 crew members. We are starting to get dirt. Okay, so now we can throw another brickworks in. Can I? Where are you digging trees? We're going to switch you up. I want these trees here coming out. Take these trees out for me first. We also need to start storing construction part 2s. Let's move it out here. You're going to be construction part 2. Now that we're getting more dirt, that I've changed this guy up. This may have been a mistake, but I guess I could have brought him up here and just dug an area out up here, but it's all good. So we can always fill it back in. Now we're definitely going to throw another brickworks in. World exploration. Alright, so we're going to send our ship out. Now that it is repaired. Map. We're going to send it over here. Nope, that's our trade. Which way do we want to go? Oh, we don't have. We're waiting on crew. Not enough fuel, so fuel and crew. We'll come back to bricks in a minute. Yeah, so we have to wait for our more crew members to come in. We have 370 diesel. And loads fuel from ship back into the shipyard. No, I want to load our... How do we tell it to fill the ship? Oh, could we upgrade our ship? We can upgrade our ship. Oh, fuel for ship. We need to keep this full. How much fuel does the ship need? 80. So we got to keep that full. We're waiting on crew anyway. Alright, now that we have finally figured out what I was doing wrong with dirt. Second brickworks. Now, do I want to put it right here? So I want to, yeah, let's put it on this side. We could tap into the water. We can come do I want to just put it on this side? No, let's put it on this side. I think this one's hooked in directly. Can I conveyor off of that one? I know I can't build them yet, but let me try something. I should be able to put a conveyor on there. I can't. No. I know I don't have construction parts, but maybe I can't hook that direct. Let's look at another brickworks. So if I rotate you, and then if I go shift, no? Does shift not R? Nope. I was trying to get it where I can feed the bricks directly into there, but I guess I can't. Or I mean the dirt directly into there, but I guess I can't. Nope. So we're going to have to... Well, here's what we could do. Let's move this guy over. You know what? Let me throw it on pause for a minute. Brickworks. Here. Water. Now I need to go up, which is E. Can I come above this guy? No, but I can come around it. And then from here, we can start coming down, which is Q. And hook that in. So we get our water around. So we should still have room for trucks to drive under there. And then we're going to need a storage for you are going to do dirt. You are going to do bricks. That's your only recipe. And then we need smokestack. Now that's going to get us more brick. We have our ship filled. We're waiting for our crew. See how many come in. So we're also going to need crew for our new brickworks. So I'm going to need 6 over here. And then we're going to need... Still have no construction parts 2. Why are you not making construction? Well, because your construction parts are the holdup. We're going to change those over to electronics soon, because we'll have enough bricks soon. We got plenty of food. We're going to be getting into irrigated farms soon, so we're probably going to need that groundwater pump. But I want to try and tap into the water over there before we have to build the groundwater pump. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Alright, new refugees. Okay, so we're up to 27, so let's throw this back on pause. We have 204 of possible 210 housed. Now, we're going to have to take these trees out as well. I'm thinking maybe a second tree harvester. What did I queue up over here? cancel that. Let's cancel those. Take those out for me. And then I also want these taken out. Okay, so now that we can do, so now we have, how do we get our crew on the ship? Okay, load the crew. So now that we are ready to go find the map, I believe we can go over here now. So let's go explore that area. We are finally getting our ship out. Awesome. Let's watch them embark on their journey. Alright, cool. We have 13 workers available. Finally starting to get brick, finally starting to get machine parts. I'm going to have to dig a little bit bigger area over here as well. Wondering if I can move this mine tower. Can we move buildings? I guess we cannot move buildings. We'd have to build another one and then take that one down. But nothing says we can't continue to dig out this way. So if we come back over here, you know what? I want room for our vehicles to drive through there. Now, what's it going to do if I wanted to go back that way? Let's see what that does. As long as I can continue getting dirt, I don't care. Oh wow, construction parts are really starting to come up. So why are we not getting construction part 2? Can it not make 2 different things at the same time? Like, can I not make construction part 2s there and make electronics at the same time? Do I need I'll probably need a separate factory for machine part 2s. Or we just turn electronics off for a moment. So we have 54 construction parts, we just don't have any here. Maybe it can't make electronics and use electronics at the same time. Awesome. So let's come back to that for a second. All right. So shipyard is done. So we're collecting 60 bricks. Synthetic rubber is finally done. So we're going to collect 30 more bricks and 30 electronics. We located, explored. Let's see. So let's pull up our map. So what do we have here? We found an oil rig, but we can't repair it yet because we don't have construction part 2. Let's send our ship here, and then we'll bring it back to like repair and refuel if it needs it. All right, I'm gonna have to quit messing around. We need to step up. All right, let's throw it on pause for a minute. So we're going to take this recipe out. Obviously it can't do 2. So I'm going to have to put a manual one down for now. Hang on, what do we got going on? We have vehicle parts. Electronics are full. I'm going to switch you over from electronics to let's see what that does. So if we switch you over from electronics, this should shut down. So now it's going to do construction part 2. I just need like 30 to build the electric assembly, and it will switch it back over to electronics. So actually I'm going to put this here. Which is the input, which is the output? Do they come out on this side? I think they come out on this side. And then you are going to make, once you're built, you're going to make construction part 2s. That is the electric one, right? Assembly electric, yes. And then you're going to get switched back over to, not you, you're going to get switched back over to electronics as soon as that's built. Man, we're burning through our bricks pretty quick. Oh, this guy's not quite built yet. What's the immunity boost on this one costing us? So if I wanted to boost you, 25, we have it. You know what, we're going to boost you as well. Let's get a bunch of bricks made. Build a new assembly manual and produce construction parts too. Oh man, it's going to want us to do an assembly manual. Alright, that we know. Located. Okay, let's go look at our cargo ship. Ooh, wrong one. World map. Alright, you have... Oh, you found iron. Oh, a damaged cargo ship that needs iron. Yeah, let's start the repairs. Let's grab the cargo ship. So I guess this guy's going to take what it needs over. So we're going to have to build another assembly manual. I'm sure we'll put it to good use. We can always take it back down. I'm going to put it here. And we're going to tell it to do construction part 2s. This guy just doesn't want to get any construction parts in it. You know what, then, the heck with it. Let's switch you back over to electronics. No, you were not making rubber, sorry. Electronics is what you were making. Switch you back on and we'll just do our construction parts over here. Or our construction parts 2 over here. You know what we're going to do? We're going to need... Let's queue up another truck. No, we're going to have to... Oh, cool. As soon as these guys are out of the way, we're going to queue up another housing. Now, do we want to upgrade one? Can we upgrade these? Or can I not upgrade these yet? Maybe I can't upgrade these. I thought I could upgrade these. Open population overview. Waste. Maybe I can't upgrade them yet. Did we not research that? We have to research the ability to upgrade the houses. there like a housing too? Oh, there is a housing too. So we have to research it first. Okay. Forgot to put another settlement in. As soon as these trucks are out of our way, we'll throw another one in right there. So let's get that guy queued up. Are you going to take... Cannot unload cargo. Shipyard is full. Oh, it brought back rubber, copper, and vehicle parts, I think. How do we keep our shipyard empty? Start loading this ship. Click to fetch the required materials onto this ship. Shipyard is overloaded with cargo. So I guess we need to build another warehouse, a warehouse for copper, or a warehouse for iron scrap, and a warehouse for cement. I've been putting all my warehouses over here. I guess I'm probably encroaching into our groundwater a little bit now. But that's alright, that's a pretty big area. So do we want to just build some more warehouses so we can get this emptied? Are we not... Did we not finish using the iron scrap? That was over here. Yeah, use up the rest of the iron scrap as well. Oh, look at that, we're up to 54 bricks. Or 50, yeah, starting to come up on construction parts. Are you making me... What? Okay, yeah, so now you're waiting on electronics. That's because our trucks are extremely busy. You know what, let's queue up another truck then. I know we got to do irrigated farms. So the irrigated farms are different than the regular farms. Can we not upgrade these to irrigated farms? Oh, now it wants... Does it want water? Can I just bring water in? I can. I think. Or can I? Irrigated farm that can be connected to a source of water. Fertilizer could be useful. Can we not upgrade these to add water? Oh, upgrade to irrigated farm. We need construction part 2. Alright. You are waiting on electronics. We should have plenty of electronics. No, we're not making a lot of electronics again. Are we low on rubber? No. We're just low on trucks right now. We got to get our shipyard empty. Which means we've got to build more warehouses. Copper, concrete. How do we tell this to... okay, loading required materials, which is 100 iron. But how do we get... Guess we can't upgrade our ship yet. Oh, keep empty. There we go. No, I don't have a place to put these, though. We're going to need a couple more warehouses. Let's build... Oh, I know, this is going to kill us. Storage. Unit storage. Can I hold down, like, control if I want to put more than one of these in? So if I'm going to put in a row of warehouses, nope. Let's go 2, 3 is probably a bad idea. 4, 5. Alright, copper. Rubber, concrete. Rubber, concrete. Or cement, rather. And then scrap should come out. Scrap should go to the factory. Not enough maintenance. Alright, so we have finished construction 2. We'll get to that. Build a fuel station and connect it to a fluid storage with diesel. I'm working on it. So can I take, so we use this one, we use this one, we use this one. Let's take, how do I bulldoze? Take that one out. Let's take that one out. Hopefully we'll start emptying these. So we're going to send, this guy's got to go back out and collect. What do we have here? So we're going to repair that, but we're not going to repair that quite yet. An oil rig. That'll bring us oil in. We got to take the iron out. We want to repair the cargo ship. So we're going to let this guy repair the cargo ship before we do any more exploring. So why is there not enough maintenance? Oh, because our trucks are extremely busy. You are... Do we make 2 more trucks that quickly? Should I queue up 2 more? We have the vehicle parts. We have the... Let's... Screw it. We'll queue up 2 more trucks. Oh, see, now we're out of dirt again. Alright, so you are making us construction parts 2, which are going to go into here to make even more construction parts 2. And then we have the warehouse here for construction part 2. Okay, yeah, everybody's coming back over here for fuel, so we've got to get that sorted out. As soon as we get enough I'm going to put it over here. It's more centrally located. The fuel depot, let's throw it on pause for a second. I want to get the fuel station down and connect it to a fluid storage with diesel. Now, do we want to pipe our diesel back here? Do I want to run a pipe with diesel all the way back there? You know what? Let's build it over here. Just going to send, I think, vehicles out. We can assign a truck to it, I think. Trucks assigned to a fuel station will automatically refill escort. Yep. So it won't have, yes. So now, the question is, do we want to put it here? Do I want to put it over here where it's more centrally located? And run a pipeline of diesel back there. That's going to be a long pipeline. Or do I just want to put the refuel station over here? Let's let it run for a second. So where do we want to put the fuel station? Here where I can just connect it into the diesel, but it wants its own tank. And connect it to a fluid storage with diesel. I think I want to put it back here. I think we're going to run a long diesel pipe back. So let's get the fuel station in. And then let's hook it to fluid storage. And we'll tell you diesel. And I think we're going to pipe some diesel back. It's going to be a long pipe, but I think we're going to come back here. I think we're going to run straight back here, almost to this mine. I think we're going to run over this way, and then we're going to run back. I think I'm going to do it. Probably a bad idea. Let's see. I want to go up, which is E. Yeah, this is probably going to be a bad idea. How far out can I stretch you before the game's going to say, nope? Oh, pretty far. Now, how far back this way do I want to go? Oh. Yeah, this is probably a bad idea. And then we can start going down, which is Q. And then we're going to tell you truck import off. Yeah. Now it's going to mess us up for another farm though. We can put another farm over this way. So let's tell this tree to come down. Put some irrigated farms in over here. We'll upgrade these two. If we need another farm, we'll put it here. I know I'm low on maintenance because my trucks are extremely busy. I've got a couple more trucks queued up. Well, we built those 2 trucks really quick. We did. Do I want to build 2 more trucks? No, we want to start getting conveyor belts in so I don't have to use trucks as much. But we're waiting on construction parts 2. So we're going to have to ramp construction part 2 up. As soon as this electronic one starts cranking them out. And then we're going to start switching all these over to electric ones to get rid of the manual ones. But I'm going to throw it on pause. We're almost an hour in. I am Old Man 102. Please smash that like and subscribe on your way out and have an awesome day.